Hello, today I'm going to share with you how to make cucumber water. Cucumber water is very hydrating and delicious, and right now it is a season to really just keep our bodies nicely hydrated and well nourished. And it is a very simple recipe. So let's get started. So in here I have 1 cucumber peeled and chopped. I'm also going to add some ice cubes. We're going to do like all the way up to the 8 cups. We're also going to add a little bit of simple sugar. I'm going to say about ½ cup. We're going to keep blending this until it is well mixed, and I'm going to blend it for like about 5 minutes. And the longer you blend it, the better it's going to taste. It's going to break down the cucumber pulp down to almost non-existent, but it's going to be really refreshing and almost a little thick too. So as you can see, I've only blended it for like about 3 minutes, and it looks almost like a slushy. You want it to be a little bit thinner, unless you really want the slushy. So I'm going to show you. See how thick that is? So I'm going to just keep blending it until it gets a little bit thinner, and you could still see the pulp there. I'm also going to taste it for sweetness. It's perfect. You don't really need too much sugar. You want it to be refreshing. I'm also going to squeeze 2 key limes. So let's get this continued. Okay, so this is what it looks like after it's been blending for like about 5 minutes. And with the flavor of the key limes, it kind of just breaks down the cucumber flavor a little bit. It enhances it actually. So you can see that it's thinned up and it's clear. I'm going to go ahead and place it in a pitcher. You can garnish it with some sliced limes and also with some sliced cucumbers. Let me set that up for you. Okay, so there it is in the pitcher. I'm not going to put any ice in it because I don't want it to water down the flavor, but you can pour it over a cup of ice with some pre-sliced key limes. Key limes have a different distinctive flavor than your regular limes. They just have like that extra, it's just an extra boost of flavor. So there it is. There's your cucumber water with a little bit of hint of key lime. And yeah, hydration is important. And you guys stay safe and healthy and take care. Thanks for watching.